Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete blanks from your audio recording on the Recorder Pro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should use your Touch ID and tap on one of the recordings. Then click on the this first icon at the top. Scroll down till you find the delete blanks button, and here you should tap on this button down below, this pink button, and then you should select that relevant part that you want to delete. So you should select that part, so drag one of these blue buttons and drag it to the relevant part till you can select it, and then finally tap on the delete section, and then you will be able to delete that particular part selected. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.